Ho, 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 everyone. It's a couple of days past Christmas, and we're just a couple of days short of New Year's. So this will be my last video of the year. It'll also be my last video of showcasing my auto ship coins that I get each month. And thank you for tuning in. And let me just get some things out of the way. So the last video I did on I uploaded my video on December 16th, right? I got my coins for November kind of late, and I was running around. I didn't get the chance to upload it till the middle of the month. And at that price, at that time, the price of silver, spot silver, was $64.19. So as of this recording, and I wrote it down, here's my little note, 12/16, 64.19, right? And today, as I'm doing this recording, spot silver is at 81.59 according to this website. All right, it's right around 80 bucks, $81. So, just in 2 weeks, it's still doing its thing. Since the beginning of the year, spot silver was $35. It's at 81 now. And when I started collecting silver coins back in July of 23, it was $18 roughly. So, pretty nice ride. Hopefully it continues. If it does, great. If it doesn't, even better. I can buy more silver. So, let me get back to me here. So, without further ado, let me show you the last two silver coins that I got for the year. And let's see what they are. I don't know what it is. And I'm thinking about doing something for next year as I'm cutting this open. For those of you who watch my videos each month, some of the silver that I get on an auto ship basis, it's like the same silver coin, right? So, I mean, I still did the video because I wanted to reach my goal of doing a video each month on the auto ship that I get. So I wanted to do that. But going forward next year, I think I'm only going to show my coins that I get on an auto ship if they are coins that I haven't had or if I haven't had in a while. And of course, if I buy them separately from my auto ship, I would do that separately. So I think that's one change I'm going to do for next year. Also, I already told you I reached one goal where I did a video each month on the coins that I got. One goal I didn't reach is my YouTube channel. I wanted to get 500 by the end of the year. I'm at 405 right now, so if this is the first time you're watching this, please go ahead and subscribe and let me reach my goal. I got a couple of days left. The other goal was what you see on my face. I haven't shaved in 2 months. January 1st, this comes off, and you'll be seeing me more of the way I typically look without a beard. So those are just some of the things I just wanted to point out. But anyway, here are the two coins, and let's see what we got for the final two coins of 2025. Before I forget, I want to wish you and your family, friends, a happy new year, happy and healthy new year. Healthy being most important. Without your health, we ain't got much. So stay healthy, people. Whatever it takes. Everything in moderation, right? That's the phrase. Everything in moderation, including myself. I have my own vices, and soda being one of them. So I'm going to try to cut that down. So anyway, I've never had this coin before. It's the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank 1 ounce 999 silver coin. Dominica, the island of Dominica, which I want to say is Dominican Republic, but don't quote me on that. But it's pretty cool. It's got two macaws, maybe macaws. It's not in color, so I don't know if they're really macaws, but they're two birds on the side. And it's from 2024. Yeah, it's a nice coin. It's the first one I've gotten. So if I get them in January, I won't do the video on this, so because it's too early. Although if I would get them again, say in like June of 26, I would do a video on it. And here's my second one. Let's see what we got. It's probably going to be the same. If it isn't, I'd be very surprised. and it isn't. So I got two of the same coins, which is typical when I get my monthly coins. So these are nice coins though. So I'll be adding that to my safety deposit box. Look, if you want to do a New Year's resolution and start stacking silver, head on over to my website, anthonycaplombardo.com. Fill in your real name and a real email address, and you'll get on my list. And you can be on my team, or you don't have to be part of a team. You can just start collecting silver, right? Who knows? Who knows where it's going to go? I know it's in the news a lot, so everybody's coming out and saying silver, silver, silver. But mind you, I've been doing this for 3 years, and I know others who have been doing it for 10 years. So I'm in here for the long haul on this bad boy. All right, so with that, again, Happy New Year. Merry New Year, as Eddie Murphy would say. And happy and healthy to everyone else. See you in the new year. Ciao.